As a temperature sensor manufacturer, have you faced issues like unstable temperature control, weak weld joints, or sensor damage during the welding process? The TATE PT100 welding machine is designed to solve these pain points for you. Our machine uses an advanced temperature control system that monitors and adjusts temperature in real time during welding, ensuring optimal heat transfer and preventing damage from overheating or underheating. Whether you're welding PT100, RTD, or NTC sensors, our machine delivers precise welding control, significantly reducing welding defects and ensuring long-term stability of your sensors. Not only does the TATE PT100 improve welding efficiency, but it also drastically lowers scrap rates, helping manufacturers reduce costs while increasing production yields. As the source manufacturer, we are committed to providing you with top quality machines and comprehensive support. Subscribe, like, comment, and share our video. For more information, email info@oktate.com.